into one of nature's most intense showdowns, crocodile versus lion. Picture this, the African savannah, the sun blazing down, and a pride of lions approaching a riverbank. They're thirsty, but danger lurks just beneath the surface. Crocodiles, ancient reptiles, masters of ambush, perfectly designed for the kill. As the lions edge closer to the water, the tension is electric. They know the risks. More than once, lions have lost family members to the jaws waiting below, but survival means taking chances. Suddenly, a lioness moves in to drink. The surface of the river barely ripples. Then, like lightning, a crocodile explodes from the water. Its jaws clamp shut with bone-crushing force. The pride erupts, some scatter, others roar in defiance. It's chaos, but lions aren't just powerful, they're smart and fiercely loyal. In a flash, the pride regroups. They snarl and swipe at the crocodile, launching a desperate rescue. Tooth and claw clash against scale and muscle. The river churns. Sometimes teamwork pays off. I've seen footage where the pride drags a family member free, limping but alive. Other times, the crocodile wins, dragging its prize beneath the water, leaving only ripples behind. It's brutal, but it's nature. Crocodiles are ambush predators. They wait, silent and patient, for the perfect moment. Lions, on the other hand, are born strategists. They weigh every risk, every move, and rely on their bond as a pride. These encounters are rare, but unforgettable. They remind me that, in the wild, there are no guarantees. No matter how fierce, how clever, or how strong, every animal faces moments of danger and decision. So, next time you see lions lounging in the grass or a crocodile basking on the banks, remember, beneath that calm is a world of suspense, survival, and sheer animal drama. If you enjoyed this wild encounter, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more nature showdowns. Until next time, stay curious and stay wild.